guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this transparent text effect on CapCut PC. So I'll just select this video and I'm just going to copy and paste it. Then go to remove background and then select auto removal. Select your text and add it on top of the video first. I'm just going to type in nature. Then I'm also going to change it to a more bold font. So like a bolder font, I guess. Then I'm going to select this option here and I'm just going to go to the stroke and I'm going to adjust the thickness. I'm also going to scale it up by a lot. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that, place it underneath here, and I'm going to change the color of the text inside. Maybe like to a green one. Select the text here, create compound clip, go to video, go to basic, go to the blend mode, and you are going to select screen. And that is it. You can obviously change the color of this text here. I'm just going to try to select one from the options here. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!